Understanding the phrase, have the bird. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a unique and interesting phrase, have the bird. This might sound a bit unusual, but by the end of this video, you'll understand what it means and how to use it in everyday conversations. Let's dive in. Have the bird is not a commonly used phrase in contemporary English and might be considered outdated or regional. However, it's always fascinating to learn about different expressions, even those that are not widely used today. In some contexts, this phrase can mean to be annoyed or irritated. It's similar to saying someone has got your goat, or you're ruffled. The phrase, have the bird, possibly originates from old theatrical slang. In the past, if a performance was poor, the audience would express their dissatisfaction. In some cases, this involved making bird-like noises or even throwing things, hopefully not actual birds, onto the stage. So, having the bird meant receiving a negative reaction. Given its rarity and potential for misunderstanding, it's best to use have the bird in contexts where you can explain its meaning or in a playful, historical, or educational setting. For example, when I told my joke, and no one laughed, I really felt like I had the bird. We hope this video has given you some insight into the phrase, have the bird, and added a quirky expression to your English vocabulary. Language is filled with fascinating phrases like this, each with its own history and charm. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.